little star, how I want you. Ever since I was little, I loved the outdoors. But when I think back to my childhood, there are some things I simply cannot remember. Where did they go? And it seems as though the days pass, those memories get further and further away from you, slowly slipping away. When I walked around outside, I looked at the trees and flowers. Those are the only things I can remember. And to lie, actually, there are other things. There's other things that I want much too